from the land that was desolate, and for a people that was scattered over centuries, and men with spirit beings mocked the prophets of old when they said, these who prophesied that this would be a nation again, where are they now? Tormentors and principalities joining their hearts with human beings who said, it is the end, this Christ will never return. Look!
It's not every day you see the moon turn red, but that's exactly what happened today in some parts of the world.
And the upcoming moon will give us a special show, the second and the largest supermoon of the year, and a lunar eclipse. A lot going on.
And a rare astronomical show.
Recently, there was a flare on the sun, so today Dave Leake is joining us to tell us why that happens and that effect that it has on the Earth.
And sometimes things just fall into your lap, and that's really what's happened this week. If we could just go quickly to image number one, here's a picture of the sun from Saturday, and I want you to notice the little sunspot group that's there kind of at the upper left. And image number two is from yesterday, and look what happens to the sunspot group. See how it's moved. Now, if these things happen to be aimed at the Earth, believe it or not, it can be a little bit dangerous.
Interesting week, as we're going to see something in the skies we haven't seen for a while, as a matter of fact.
From Hong Kong to Australia, eyes to the skies Wednesday as a rare celestial event took shape.
Skywatchers woke up early on the West Coast to view a rarely seen spectacle.
So there's the triangle, right?
A super blood moon. Last night it took place at the same time as a lunar eclipse, making the moon look like it was turning a dark red color.
First, a supermoon, which appears larger than a normal full moon. You can see it rising here over ancient ruins in Greece. As for the blood part, well, that's because in some parts of the world, including the western US, it coincided with the first total lunar eclipse in 2 years.
As the nighttime sky turned a fiery red.
We turn now to Central Africa, where a devastating volcanic eruption has killed at least 15 people.
There was no warning given of this eruption. The night sky pulsing red as molten rock swept down the slopes of Mount Nyiragongo. When a sea of lava built down below, the local government gave the order to evacuate.
There were widespread power outages in the nearby city of Goma. Residents were unsure of where to find a safe haven. The flowing lava made this road impassable. When Mount Nyiragongo...
Just 6 miles away, Mount Nyiragongo had erupted again. spewing rivers of hot lava that snake their way towards the lakeside city, home to at least 2 million people.
It's considered one of the world's most dangerous volcanoes.
Authorities had urged Goma's 2 million residents to evacuate after Mount Nyiragongo erupted for the first time in almost 2 decades.
A massive volcano erupting just miles away from your town. It's happening right now in Iceland, where residents in the capital, just about 20 miles away, can see it fuming and spurting, and others live even closer.
Now, the volcano started erupting March 19th and has been putting on a show, drawing scientists and tourists alike.
And it's spectacular. I couldn't believe, even these scientists who study these things, it's their life. You would get out of the car, you would turn your head, and you would see this erupting volcano, and almost everyone would say, wow. It was just spectacular.
It is beautiful to see from a distance as well.